Play with Tasha.
No, because you're trying to get a video.
Play with Tasha.
Yeah. Ow! You got some sharp teeth.
She's so silly.
I know. And she's never like that.
She's 4 and she still acts like she's a little puppy. Tasha. Hey, do the I love you thing.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Why is she trying to eat your face when you say I love you?
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. She's your mom.
That's so cute.
She's your mom.
Oh.
Not my dog.
Do that again. That was funny. Oh, great.
She knows.
She's like, don't touch me. She smells something?
I don't know. I'm tired now. I'm tired now. Stop.
No.
Her face.
Oh, hilarious. She's like, no.
Now she's too tired.
And she's dead.
She's too tired.
Nope. She's alive.
I love you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
She got some gray hairs now.
Yeah, because she's getting older.
She said, I better play
She's
with
like,
Dada.
I'm still a puppy inside. I'm still a puppy inside. Go away, Cotton, you little attention whore.
Yeah.
Cotton! No, little Cotton! Little Cotton! No! Oh, she was recording. Oh, she was recording. Stop! Quit licking me! Cotton! Cotton! Good! You're a good girl! You're a good girl, Cotton! You're so silly! You're so silly!
She said, I want face. I want face.
No!
She says, I want face.
No! I love you, Gordon. I love you, Gordon. Here, give me paw. Give me paw. Give me paw. Give me paw. Rawr. 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 Oh, you got allergies, girl. Sneeze it out. Sneeze. Achoo. You know, they're actually not too much different in size. You know that? Well, Cotton is a little bit smaller, but
She's just got a lot of hair.
she's just a fluff ball. And Tasha, you're sweet. You're a wee girl. You're a wee girl.
She said,
Tasha,
about time I get
Tasha,
my
Kimbo.
glory.
Rah, rah. Catch your paw. Catch your paw. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Rah. You're just gonna sit. You're just gonna sit. Well, that's my little sister, Sierra. Say hello, Sierra. She got a little bit of sun today, so she's a little pink.
Farted.
She did not fart.
Yes,
She was like, no, she didn't.
Yes, she did. She farted.
And she's going to the bathroom.
Yeah,
Yes.
because she farted.
Excuse the junk around the backyard. Yes.
Why are you putting it in? You're going to edit this, right?
Probably. I don't know.
Edit me out.
It's my little sister. This is my little sister. Say hello.
Hi.
Really? Really? You're gonna be rude. It's just rude.
You're smiling right now.
Okay, we're done with this.
No, we're not.
We're done with this.
No, we're not.